Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Meridianville local and long-distance movers near me. With the right cheap Meridianville moving company, you will get to where you need to go easily. 3 Movers offers the right services to take the stress out of your move. Our team offers plenty of great moving services for all types of clients, including homeowners, business owners, veterans, students, and renters. If you need to move, we can help. Choosing to move with us gives you all the long-distance moving services you need with options like packing services. Our complete packing and unpacking services give you everything you need to save time on your long-distance move. Moving supplies. With our moving supplies, your things are well protected throughout the entire move. An on-time move. Since we show up at the scheduled time on moving day, you won't have to worry about delays or any cancellation. Upfront pricing. Our moving quotes give you the transparent price you can use to set your budget. Licensed and insured. When you trust us, you don't have to worry about the safety of your things. When you need to relocate across the country or just a few states away, you need the right movers to help. Our team will make sure you get the right help for your specific needs. We move you quickly and efficiently to your new location. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Meridianville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.